So the first thing that you need to do is you go into your YouTube studio. That's step one, right? Once we're in the YouTube video, what we want to do is to view one of the videos. So we'll come over here to content. And we need to find a video that's been up over 48 hours because they won't have retention unless it's been 48 hours. So I'm just going to find one here. This video here got quite a few views for my channel, for me. So it did pretty good. So now all we do, we click on the video and we come over here to analytics. Here's your video analytics. We're going to click engagement. Click the engagement, right? Now, you scroll down and you're going to see your audience retention graph here, right here somewhere. Okay, so here's our audience retention.